Hey there, my friends. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Mine started off pretty well. I just got through transplanting some Chandler strawberries out in a brand new bed because, much like you, I'm a gardener that's thinking about growing 365. But with that being said, let's talk about some things. So, I have some new and exciting news I would love to share with you today. So first and foremost, we have our new raised beds. I got some mint green Birdie's raised beds. We have about 9 of them that I'm going to be placing in an all new gardening location. Because I mean, let's face it, that's what we do as growers, right? We're always expanding, and taking over more real estate at the house, right? But I mean, it's my goal to have a food forest. I mean, to me, a lawn really serves no purpose other than somewhere for my kids to play and so forth. But I mean, other than that, I'm gonna try to take up as much real estate as my wife will allow, growing as much food as I possibly can. Uh, but with that being said, so yeah, uh, we have all new raised beds in place. Just have to top them all off with soil. Um, but with this new gardening locale, also comes another bit of news. So my friends over at Botanical Interests, Botanical Interests, the most awesome seed company there is, they've reached out to me because we are in development of an all new show for the Botanical Interest YouTube channel. So, pause right there. If you haven't subscribed to Botanical Interest, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now and make sure you turn that bell notification on because we're going to be bringing to you an all new show called Q&A with Gray. One of the things I love with being in these internet spaces is connecting with you. I mean, to me, being a gardener, yeah, it comes of course, there's the piece of connecting with nature, right? Soaking up the sun, getting that good vitamin D in the skin, and of course, sticking your soil, your hands in the soil, and getting to touch those microbes, and getting all that positivity and positive vibes that comes from it. And then, of course, growing nice, good, healthy food with our hands. But the most important thing is community. And what better way to connect with your gardening community than just vibing out and chilling with them and answering their questions? I love doing it. I mean, being a former educator, I used to teach secondary, that's high school. And I used to love all the questions that I would get from the students, engaging with them, and just being their source for information. And of course, I do the same thing with my own children as well. And as many of you already know, I already do that on my main channel here at Urban Garden with Gray. But this is going to give us an avenue of approach to reach out to all of the folks over Botanical Interest and answer their questions as well. So it doesn't matter what your question is, whether it's seed related, soil related, plant related, what have you, growing conditions, etc. I mean, whatever you have to ask, I'm here to answer. Because I think it's just going to be cool and exciting. I mean, and it's a great way to be able to hang out with your friendly neighborhood gardener. So no matter what those questions are, go ahead and send them my way. Matter of fact, you can actually start adding those questions to the comments in this video itself, and we will get those answered for you. So for 2026, be looking out for Q&A with Gray. So I'm super excited about 2026. I think it's going to be an amazing year to grow. So you know what? Why not let's grow together? So make sure you send those questions over to me. I can't wait to start answering for you. But you know what? It's been amazing speaking with you as always. Talk to you again real soon.